power loss on the conveyor? The EED ERV gearbox features static self-locking to prevent load backdriving.
High concentricity provides smooth running. Noise is kept under 65 decibels, meeting the operation needs of woodworking machinery. Lightweight and non-rusting housing. Omni-bearing installation suits automated food packaging lines, built for continuous torque in industrial mixers. Steel-sealed bearings handle heavier loads and extend service life.
Available in metric and imperial standards with customization options. 100% inspected before delivery.